Welcome to my modern knowledge video class. I am Rajesh Jha. I am an agriculture student. That's why I have a specific knowledge about agriculture. It's me. In this channel, you can see about modern updated knowledge of all subjects of agriculture, technical education, traditional culture, motivational speech, etc. In this video, we will discuss about chapter 6 of agribusiness subject. Let's start our class. Chapter 6 Farm Budgeting and the definition. Our first topic is definition of farm budgeting. The expression of farm plan in monetary terms by estimation of receipt, expenses and net income of farm is called farm budgeting. Listen carefully, it is very simple. The expression of farm plan in monetary terms by estimation of receipt, expenses and net income of farm is called farm budgeting. And our second topic is types of farm budgeting. There are three types of farm budgeting. They are first partial budgeting, second enterprises budgeting, third complete budgeting. And our first types is first definition of partial budgeting. It refers to estimating the outcome or returns for a part of business, that is one or a few activities. It is applied for those situations where relatively small modifications have to be made the existing organization or firms. And our second is definition of enterprises budgeting. Enterprise budgeting are used to estimate inputs required, cost involved and expected returns from a particular enterprises. The purpose of budgeting an enterprises is to help in selecting of inputs and enterprises consistent with the resources available and to show combination that will increase income from the farm business. And our next is definition of complete budgeting. It is also called total budgeting. It refers to preparing budget for the farm as a whole. Complete budget considers all the crops, livestock, method of production, aspect of marketing and estimated cost and returns for the farm as a whole. And our third topic is differentiate between partial and complete budgeting. Differentiate between partial and complete budgeting, and here is a table. First, partial budgeting. It is adapted when a minor aspect of farm organization is touched, and in complete budgeting the whole farm is considered as one unit. And our second is it refers to estimating cost and returns for a part of the business, that is one or a few activities. And in complete budgeting it refers to estimating cost, returns and net income for the farm as a whole. And in partial budgeting, third point is it is practiced within the existing resources structure of the farm. And in complete budgeting, all the aspects like crops, livestock, machinery and other assets are considered. And 4 point of partial budgeting is only variable costs are considered. And in complete budgeting, both fixed and variable costs are calculated for working out cost and returns. And the 5th point of partial budgeting is it requires relatively less effort and time for preparation. And in total budgeting, it requires more efforts and time for preparation. And the 6th point of partial budgeting, net income is estimated by subtracting only cost of variable inputs from the value of the product. And the next point of complete budgeting, net income is estimated by the subtracting fixed cost and cost of inputs, variable input from the value of product. And the 8th and last point of partial budgeting is example budgeting for growing hybrid maize in the place of local maize. And in complete budgeting, example budgeting of all crops, livestock, etc. for the farm as a whole. And our first topic is steps in farm planning and budgeting. First, specification of the technical coefficient of production, and the second, specification of appropriate prices. Third, preparation of enterprises profitability chart. Fourth, preparation of farm map. Fifth, inventory of limited resources. Sixth, examine the existing farm plan. Seventh, locate the weakness of present plan. Eighth, list out the risk to agricultural production on that farm. Ninth, prepare the alternative plan. And 10th, analysis of the alternative plan. And the 11th is implementing the plan. And that's our topics are finished. If you want to take more knowledge on this channel, please like and subscribe this channel for motivating me to upload more videos on this field. About this field, please watch the video from start to end and never miss to like and subscribe. Thank you. Your friend Rajesh Jha.